really heavily. I feel like going on a road trip. What about going for a road trip? Let's go! Let's go! I'm all set to go. And I'm on the road now. I'll keep you posted. It's still raining and I'm still driving, and I have reached a place called New Bombay, which is also called Vashi. So I have reached quite far away from home, and I have it's still raining, and this is a beautiful flyover over here, and I'm crossing that now.
If you're watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately.
Having my lunch, I have rice, and this is a South Indian dal called paripu. This is tendli bhaji, which is also called um, the small baby cucumber along with coconut stir fry. This is the bitter gourd pachadi, which I've already shown on my recipe. This is bitter gourd mixed with curds, and a tempering of red chilies and mustard has been put over it. One slice of onion and some lemon pickles. These are the pickles which I eat normally. It's really tasty. These are Kerala pickles, and this is one Kerala papad along with it, and some watermelon juice. So let me enjoy my lunch while you too can prepare a simple lunch like this but elaborate, and it's really quick to prepare this. So I'm gonna eat this now.
So I hope somebody has come over here at my home. Let me check. Oh, I've got a package. I have received a package. Yes, I got a package from Amazon and yet another unboxing. Come, let's do it.
So let's see what we have got. I'll just cut it open and let you know. So look, I have got a mop. I have bought this mop from Flipkart. So look at this. There is one rod over here. So this is an attachment, and this is the mop actually. So this is the one where we'll spray the water. This will be attached over here like this. Look at this. I connected it myself. It's that easy, and we can fill water in this. I'll show you how. So I have some water over here. I'll put some water into this. I can put any disinfectant or anything like Lysol or anything which I want my floor to disinfect, where all the bacteria will go away. Water, lemon water and baking soda mixed together, it becomes a real good disinfectant. So I'll be using that. So let's see how it works. Now I'll just spray the water. Can you see the water is getting sprayed? And now I'll mop it. So it keeps changing its direction, and wherever I need, suppose I want to mop under the sofa and get it mopped. So this way the house gets really clean and all the dirt can be removed. The floor is actually becoming really clean. I am loving this. Cleans really awesome. Look at my floor, it's shining so well. And my entire house, the entire flooring is looking really terrific. Beautiful. I love this product, it's good. So this was just for around 794 rupees, not too much. So it was a good buy, I think. I'm really happy that I bought this. So the name of this mop is water spray mop. Take a look. So I usually mop myself always. I don't have any house help, so I always rely on these stuff a lot, and I really like to be independent as far as my work is concerned. I made this amazing butta because it's raining so awesome. I felt like eating a sweet corn. So I am going to eat this now. It's really looking amazing and yummy. I actually roasted it on the stove. So y'all can also do it. It's really exciting. It splutters a little, but it is really awesome and it tastes really good. Evening time, guys, and I am planning to make a banana fritter called palam pori, which is a Kerala dish. Actually, I don't know to pronounce it properly, but it is said something like that. It's very tasty to eat, so it's really crunchy and really goes well with tea. So I will be using some all-purpose flour. Around 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour are added to this. Chickpea flour to this. So we are using these kind of bananas over here. These are the long big ones, the big bananas, which is also called Nendran Palam. So yeah, something like that. So we'll just add this turmeric powder over here, and we'll add some salt, sesame seeds. These are black sesame seeds. So a little bit of sugar, around 3 teaspoons will go into this because it should become a little sweet in taste. So that's why we add a bit of sugar to this, and we have to mix this with water and make it into a thick paste actually. So we are making this into a thick paste like this. So once our paste is ready, we'll just dip the bananas. So I have split the bananas into half like this. So 4 halves. You can even cut it like this if you want, but I have kept it a little bit fuller because it looks very good, you know. So we can just dip this and fry it in hot oil and enjoy it with our evening tea. So it goes very well with the evening tea snacks. Take a look, I've put all the bananas along with the coating into the oil, and now they are frying away. They are becoming a beautiful golden in color. Look at the color, this tastes really well with tea, and that is why I like it. You can find this anywhere as a street food in Kerala. Anywhere you go in Kerala, in any bakery or any even at any household, you will find these bananas, these fried bananas, which are very famous in every household. So you can make this at home and have it because it's so simple. So your palam pori, which is Kerala banana fritter dish for evening tea, is complete only if you have tea in these kind of glasses. Then only you are having it in a true Malayali style. So this is what I like about it. It should be really authentic and real. So have this, have a bite. It's really crunchy. Someone is stealing it.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.